Real question. Have you ever looked at your pool and said, I really want to swim right now, but I don't want to spend the next hour playing pool janitor? Because that was me. And honestly, most pool cleaners that are cordless don't do the job right. They really just don't work. They leave a lot of debris. And then I spend an extra hour trying to figure things out. It really turns into a whole extra chore with recharging and missing spots. So today I am going to be reviewing an amazing product. Quick transparency, this review is sponsored by iGarden. However, the opinions are my own. So welcome to the dedicated review of the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner M1 with AI technology. I am going to show you how it looks like in real life, which you can see right here, as well as how it cleans, how fast it cleans, and whether it is actually hands-free. The best reviews are a mix of brain and heart. So of course, I'm going to give you the technical what, all the specs that you need to know, as well as the why you need this. And then I will tell you the part that really matters. How does it feel as a pool owner to have a product like this that allows you to have a more relaxed life when it comes to cleaning your pool? Here is the whole pitch in 3 points, and then I will prove it on camera. Number 1, fast AI-powered cleaning. This product is designed to clean up to 99% of debris in just 20 minutes. Of course, using the AI target mode. It is fast and efficient in debris removal performance. Number 2, it has long battery life and a set it and forgetting scheduling that allows you to maintain your pools for weeks at a time. Number 3, energy saving performance. It provides you with powerful cleaning without chewing through energy. Now, let's get into the satisfying part, which is watching it work. Let's go. Okay, here is scenario 1. The pool isn't destroyed, it's just annoying. Leaves, little debris, the stuff that ruins the vibe. And this is where AI target mode is the star. Instead of doing the old school S path across every inch no matter what, AI target mode is designed to spot debris and go straight to it. So you're not waiting through a full cycle when only part of the pool is dirty. And it is not just random movement. This uses bionic AI dual camera vision plus AI algorithms to detect and target messes. It's basically detect, decide, clean. So if you're like me and you want your pool swim ready fast, this is the mode that makes the most sense. And because it's not wasting movement, it's also designed to be more energy efficient, cleaning what needs cleaning instead of doing a full tour of the pool for no reason. Now let's talk about tech in human terms. Let's start with the Bionic AI Dual Camera Vision. It has 2 Ultra HD underwater cameras to build a kind of 3D understanding of your pool. Distance, boundaries, obstacles, debris. This matters because a lot of cleaners get confused. They miss corners, get stuck, or just give up mid-cycle. It also has a quad-core neural engine. What does that mean? It's powered by a quad-core processor with a dedicated NPU for path planning, so it can make smarter decisions while it's moving. And of course, let's talk about privacy first AI. This detail I actually appreciate. It's privacy first. The camera data is processed locally on the device, not uploaded to the cloud. So you get the AI benefits without feeling like you are installing a tiny underwater cameraman in your pool. Now, the part that separates this as a cute gadget from being an actual pool helper is coverage. The M1 AI series is designed for full coverage, cleaning floor, walls, and waterline, which is huge because the waterline is where that gross buildup likes to live. And it is built to handle different pool shapes and surfaces with a dual grip traction system. This means it has tracks plus wheels, so it can climb and keep traction instead of slipping around like it's on a banana peel. You can see that the iGarden pool robot works around all sorts of surfaces in the pool, through the steps, through the slopes, and even on the pool walls and on the deep end right now, as well as on the shallow end. One of the biggest pain points of cordless cleaners is that they stopped mid-cycle and they need constant babysitting. This is where iGarden is really swinging. One charge equals 1 month of freedom. That means that you get up to 30 days of autonomous cleaning. Another thing that makes people rage quit pool robots is debris. The iGarden Pool Robot M1 has a dual filtration system. So it is designed to catch both bigger stuff and finer particles that make your pool look cloudy. And it also has an anti-clog design that helps keep suction steadier as the filter fills up, so performance doesn't fall off a cliff halfway through. Now let's talk about this set it and forget it scheduling, which I think is pretty cool. This is an actual AI timer. So if you're traveling or if you're not gonna be in the house, this actually works great for you. It can schedule cleaning 24, 48, 72 hours, so you don't have to worry about a single thing. And I think that is the key difference between I just cleaned my pool today because I need it right now and having your pool swim ready all the time. It is absolutely quiet. Not only that, it is adaptable and the movement is stable. You know what else is great? This comes with a 3-year warranty, so it gives you an extra peace of mind. All right, so if you're a pool owner and you're hoping for energy savings, amazing cleaning, and a really cool product, you have to check out my friends at iGarden. This is the Pool Robot M1 with AI technology, and it is incredible. High efficiency, effortless, and energy saving. I will put the link in the description so that you can check it out. This is my new favorite toy. It is amazing. Thank you, iGarden, for sponsoring this video. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon. And I will see you guys soon in the next one. Have a great day.